Good morning from Soda Creek Vineyard in Napa Valley. Oh, it was an early morning, but it was magical and beautiful, and it was the most beautiful little California sunrise, and I couldn't wait to share it with you. This little vineyard produces one of the single vineyards for Tribunero, and I can't wait to show you how hard everybody works out here and how much love there is that goes into these wines. So from me to you, happy 2021 harvest.